Hey there, it's Zen, the Crypto Queen, and I have a Facebook page of the same name and Twitter handle XRP Crypto Queen. And actually, I haven't been posting a whole lot on either, mostly because life got busy. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about the latest news, not necessarily with XRP, but with all kinds of crypto lending, staking, etc. We all know that Celsius, well, Celsius story speaks for itself. I had money on there, or crypto on there, Bitcoin, and doubt I'll ever see that. And also Voyager, had some money on there, not a whole lot, thankfully, because I learned my lesson with Celsius. But the latest is BlockFi. So I'm just going to tell you this: I have always been a buyer, holder, hodler, if you will. Hold on for dear life. Just buy low, sell high. That is my plan. It's much like the stock market for me. I buy low, sell high. Now, right now, just in life, we are in a bear market. It's a bear market just out there in general. Is the whole market going to be kind of shifty over the next 6 to 8 months? Yeah, I believe so. Yes. So there's going to be a lot of altcoins that are going to crash and burn, in my opinion. And this is just opinion, not financial advice. Please do your own research. I am sticking with maximally ISO 222 coins, which for me, my biggest is XRP. I'll hold XLM, and I have a few others. And Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't going away anytime real soon, but a lot of other coins will. So if you are involved in a lot of other coins, if you're a trader, very cool, and you know what you're doing, be very wary when you watch YouTube videos, mine included, where there's scammers everywhere saying, oh, get in contact with so-and-so. I've worked with her for 2 weeks and made $15,000 off of my original investment of $2. Does that sound normal or reasonable? Probably not. Could it happen? Sure. And they will probably do it once or twice so that you throw even bigger money at them, and then boom, all they have to do is lock you out. So be very wary of those kinds of things. Okay, please. I just want you to cover yourself. So if you don't know what you're doing in crypto and all these companies that are either going bankrupt, like BlockFi, Celsius, Voyager, you have to understand that they sort of were built a little bit Madoff-like, in other words, sort of Ponzi-ish with the whole invest your money, because there's always going to be people who want to pull out when it hits a high, right? And, I had my Bitcoin locked in for, I don't know, I think it was 90 days. And then one day I logged in and you couldn't remove your money. And then boom, they hit the headlines, right? So, it is what it is. And I didn't take that big of a hit because I didn't put that much in, but it was enough, and I won't do it again. So I'm just buying and holding, and that's all I'm doing. I'm putting it on a ledger, and I'm going to see where things roll. And I hope this is helpful to you, because I don't want to see people get scammed, ripped off, because they're trying to make up for other losses. This wasn't my first loss. Do I learn lessons along the way? Of course I do. And always research where the company originates, okay? One company that I did a number with, it all sounded great. Didn't sound Madoff-like at all. It was more or less of a online wallet. Well, turns out it was the point of origin is Vietnam. I don't have any recourse with a company in Vietnam. They were shut down. I got a notice. They are in a lawsuit, so I can still take it as a loss on taxes, I suppose. However, that doesn't give me my original money back or my crypto, right? So always be very careful what you're dealing with. If you think, oh, you know what? If I buy and hold, eventually it'll go up. But what if I did trading? If you don't know what you're doing, that would be like you saying, I'm going to go be a day stock trader. You know how long it would take you to lose all your money? Probably 3 days. So just please be careful with what you do. And if you see something that looks too good to be true, it's, like your mama told you, probably is. Okay, so just be careful out there. And if you want some information or a one-on-one session to talk about where things are going out there in 2023 or where you should go just in general, hit me up. We can have a conversation, and you can lock in your time with me via email. That's zendevon@gmail.com. And I take Venmo or I don't like PayPal at the moment. I don't like the stunts they've pulled either. So the best way to use your money or crypto is to boycott things that don't agree with your values. And frankly, if PayPal is the only thing that you have, I take it directly out of there and into my bank account. I don't leave it in PayPal anymore because I think they're a bit shady. That's just my personal opinion, but do your own research. I use Venmo because it's nice and easy, Zelle because it's nice and easy, and that's the story. So I hope this is helpful to you on some level. Thanks so much for sticking with me, and I will chat with you very soon. Ciao for now.